Hi, this is my presentation on earthquakes, and as you can see on this image on the left, here we have a map of the world and all of the fault lines. And as you can see, about 90% of these small recent earthquakes in the last 7 weeks occurred on these fault lines. And you can see one here that's slightly off of it. But for the most part, I would say that 90% of them are on these fault lines. Um, and here is a map of where I live, and I live near Santa Rosa, and we had about four relatively small 2 to 3.5 earthquakes occur near Santa Rosa, with this red one uh, being like the most recent one, and we haven't had any 4.5 uh, earthquakes recently. And where I live in Santa Rosa, we're about uh, 20 minutes away from a 2.5 earthquake, which occurred on a plate boundary, which is this red one right here. And that is the North American Juan de Fuca plate boundary. And then this map also shows my place of interest, which is Mount Lassen over here in this corner. And as you can see, not much seismic activity in this area because it's not near a fault line, but you just have those same earthquakes that occurred off the coast of California right there. Um, Overall, I would say that these results aren't super surprising to me. I honestly thought that we'd have more of these earthquakes um, because I know that we live near a fault line, and I'm also a little surprised that most of them happen off the coast and not off land. Thank you for listening.